Well, what up, champ? Deep gang, it's your girl Killer, and I'm back again with another video. So this video, y'all, gonna be me fixing my slime. It's gonna be me fixing my slime. So let me put this. I'm gonna put this inside my slime. Ooh, it got on the outside, but it don't matter. So then y'all got that up in there. It's mixed. I'm gonna let it mix in. Well, I'm gonna let it sit in. Then I'm gonna put this on the ground. You know, put that on the ground. Ooh, that's a lot. So I'm gonna put that on the ground. So sticky. So now I'm gonna put this on it. So you guys, I'm using that. And I'm using this kind of shaving cream. This shaving cream is gonna make it bigger. That's it. So yeah. And as y'all can see, I got lots of foam beads on my hands with this slime and stuff. So you guys, it's like really like, I might not make it bigger because I think that's what messed. Last time I did that, that's what made it like liquidy and sticky. So I might not make it bigger. I might just make it back into slime. Now, y'all want to be a bad kid or a good kid with Funny Mike now? I just want to be a part of them because I've been watching them for 2 years and they inspired me to do YouTube. Hello? Them and Pencil Squad, them the only two who inspired me to do YouTube. That's the only reason I'm doing YouTube now. And I don't really care. I don't care about the haters, but I care about the fans. I just don't care about the haters that's out there. They don't hurt my feelings. If they say something about me, then I don't really care because what's the point of caring? They just haters and they think what they think. If they're going to say something that's not true, I know it's not true, so I'm not going to believe it. Well, that's what I was going to say. Funny Mike inspired me to do YouTube. I was just watching him, like, just before I started this video. I was watching him. I was watching some of his old videos, because I already watched all his new videos, so I had to watch some of his old ones. So, yeah. My hair keeps getting in the way, and I don't want no slime to get on it. I got another piece. So then you're going to add some more of this in. But you're going to keep on playing with it so it'll all mix in and it'll come like into a whole. This video is 2 minutes long. I feel like I've been recording longer than 2 minutes, but yeah, it's 2 minutes. So y'all see that? I'm only going to fix this one little piece on camera because, well, I'm going to fix the whole thing on camera. Next time I'm gonna show y'all a video of me playing with it, so y'all will see that after you sit it down and stuff. Y'all look, it looks so big. My camera. Oh, I thought my camera was getting foggy. Look, it's kind of getting big. Sorry, y'all, that my camera just fell. Once my camera go dead, then I might have to start recording on my phone. You don't know what I mean. I might have to start recording on my phone. Sometimes I do record on my phone because my camera go dead, so I have to record on my phone. Y'all know. I got a picture camera and I got a vlogging camera. Y'all, all those times y'all be seeing like in the mirror and they have a phone, so my camera be dead all the time. So, y'all, the slime is actually fixed. It's just a little sticky. So, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make an A inside of it. Y'all hear me too? Let me start over. I made an A. For my first name, y'all, some got on the camera, I'm sorry. See y'all. So now it is done. The slime is done, y'all. Y'all wanna see? It's not even that sticky no more. It's just a lot of stretchies. Stretchy. That's it about it. That's all. It's just stretchy. So y'all, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to go follow my TikTok. It's gonna be down in the description. Go follow my cousin TikTok. It's gonna be down in the description. Go follow my sister, and then go follow me and my brother. It's gonna be down in the description below. And go follow my cousin YouTube, Queen TT 580. Go follow that. Bye, guys.
What about mine?